Good morning, children. Have a great and pleasant morning today. I hope you are doing well. Let us start today's class. We are in science subject. We are in online class number 9. Let us start the revision. Last class we had chapter number 13. So chapter number 13 is not included in our portion. So I gave only the explanations. I don't want to give the exercises. Let us start the revision from chapter number 9. Chapter number 9 I explained in the class. I gave the notes. I made one class test also through online. We did everything. Even though we'll start the exercises as revision. Exercises of pages 81 and 82. First, let us begin with the fill in the blanks. Air is made up of gases, some water vapor and dust particles. So, the answer will be water vapor to fill the blanks. Okay, next, number 2. The amount of water vapor in the air is known as humidity. The amount of water vapor in the air is known as what? Humidity. The third one. The layer of atmosphere in which all weather changes takes place is known as troposphere. It is the troposphere is the layer in which all the weather changes are taking place. The fourth one is neon gas is filled in glow signs. So the neon gas, the use of neon gas is to fill in glow signs. Number 5 is aeroplanes go up in the air because of air pressure. Because of the reason of air pressure. Let us move to the sixth one. Mesosphere is the layer of the atmosphere in which meteorites get burnt. So where does the meteorites get burnt? In the mesosphere. Mesosphere is the layer in the atmosphere. Let us move to the seventh one. Nearly 3/4 of air is nitrogen. The 75% of the composition of air is nitrogen. Let us move to the next one, eighth one. Stratosphere prevents harmful rays of the sun from reaching us. So which layer prevents harmful rays of the sun? Stratosphere. Next, argon gas is filled in electric bulbs. Let us move to the fill in the blank. Sorry, true or false. The first one is atmosphere has 2 layers. It is false. The second one is the pressure exerted by the air inside our body balances the air pressure outside our body. It is true. The pressure which is outside of our body balances the pressure which is present inside of our body. The third one is neon gas in a balloon lets it go up in the air. No, this is false statement. Number 4, carbon dioxide is needed to burn things. This also a false statement because we need oxygen to burn the things. Now the fifth one is air is used to make music. It is a true statement. For music we need a medium. That medium is air. The sixth one is air pressure acts only in the downward direction. This is false. The seventh statement is as we go up higher the pressure of air increases. It is false. The pressure will get decreased. Next, eighth one is ozone gas is present in the stratosphere. It is a true statement. Ozone gas prevents the harmful rays from the sun. Next, ninth one is we can hear the sound of a drum even without air. It is false. So the sound need a medium to transfer. The 10th one is by planting more trees we can reduce air pollution. It is a true statement. Let us move to the question answers. The first one is what is air made up of? Answer is air is made up of gases, some water vapor and dust particles. The second one, write one use of each of the following gases. The first one is helium. The answer for helium is it is filled in balloons. Helium being light makes the balloons rise up in the air. The next one is neon. Neon is used to fill in glow signs. Next one is argon. Argon is used to fill electric bulbs. The third one is definition for atmosphere. Define atmosphere. The answer for this is the thick layer of air that surrounds us is known as atmosphere. This layer of air is held in place due to Earth's gravity. Let us move to the fourth one. Name the different layers of the atmosphere. Answer is troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. These are the different layers of the atmosphere. Let us move to the fifth one. What is stratosphere? How is it useful to us? It is the second layer which protects us from harmful rays of the sun. This is due to the ozone gas present in this layer. Jet planes and hot air balloons fly in this layer. So these are the definitions for stratosphere. Stratosphere is the second layer and it protects the harmful rays of the sun, and it has ozone gas which prevents the harmful rays, and jet planes and hot air balloons fly in this layer. The sixth one is list three properties of air. Air has weight, it has mass, air takes up space, air exerts pressure, it exerts pressure. So what is air pressure? Seventh one is, what is air pressure? The pressure is the force applied to a surface area. If any force applied to a surface area is known as what? It is a pressure. Okay, when air exerts a force on any surface, it is called air pressure. Write four uses of air. The eighth one is write any four uses of air. Answer number 8 is, the first point is moving air is used to make electricity, like by using the windmills we are producing the electricity. Number 2, the flying birds, plants, burning paper, sailing ships, etc. all need air. So all these activities are need air. Next one, the third one is, it is used to make music, like flute, trumpet, harmonium, all play when we blow in air. So air is necessary to create music in these instruments. Next, it fills up things and makes them useful. So the air is fills up inside the things and it will it make the things useful. The ninth one is, how does the atmosphere protects us? Answer is, atmosphere prevents too much heat from reaching the earth. At night it does not allow heat to escape. So what is the use of the atmosphere? It prevents too much heat from reaching the earth. Okay, if there is no atmosphere means we will get more temperature on the surface of the earth, and it does not allow the heat to escape during night. Then rocks moving in space are burned up by the atmosphere. So the rocks like meteorites, asteroids, they are burned up by the atmosphere. It stops harmful rays of the sun from reaching the earth. So it prevents the harmful rays from the sun. This is done by ozone layer in the atmosphere. Next, question number 10. What is air pollution? How can you reduce air pollution? The answer for question number 10 is, the contamination of air with undesirable things like poisonous gases from factories, exhaust of vehicles, etc. is called air pollution. We can reduce air pollution by planting more trees, use fuels like CNG in vehicles, have factory sites away from localities, fit filters to chimneys. So what do you mean by air pollution? The dust particles are the contamination of air with the undesirable things which can create poison. The gases are known as what? Known as air pollution. This was caused by the factories and the exhausts of vehicles. So we can reduce by planting more trees, use the fuels like compressed natural gas in vehicles, and keep the factory sites away from the localities and fit filters to the chimneys. Question number 11. Why do mountaineers carry oxygen cylinders with them? Mountaineers carry oxygen cylinders because as they go up on the mountains, the amount of air decreases, so they will feel the breathing suffocation. So that's why breathing trouble. That's why they are carrying the oxygen cylinders. Let us go to the give reasons. A candle goes off after some time when it is covered by a jar. So what is the reason behind that? The oxygen present in the air inside the jar gets used up and the candle extinguishes. Number 2, we do not get crushed under the weight of the atmosphere. What is the reason behind that? The pressure exerted by the fluids and gases inside our body balances the air pressure outside our body. The third one is, a balloon bursts if we continue to blow air in it. So if we keep on continue to blow air in it, air pushes on the balloon walls in all directions. It continues till the pressure breaks the balloon walls and the balloon bursts. The fourth one is the liquid rises up when we suck the straw. What is the reason behind that? Air pressure on the liquid in the bottle forces the liquid to rise up in the straw. The fifth one is a balloon becomes bigger when we fill it with air. Because of the pressure of air, the balloon becomes bigger when we fill it with the air. So exercise E, draw to show, is your homework, page number 82. Refer the page number and complete your homework and send to my email. This is the end of today's class. Let us revise the next chapter in the next class. Okay, so we will make the revision of all these 4 chapters. Okay boys, have a great time. Goodbye.